Hello and welcome. It's Gilly Cube. I'm here in Australia on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland and coming to you with a customer request. This is always popular to do this particular technique. The colours were a request off one of our viewers, was magenta, and you'll see the colours that I throw in there. It's pretty out there, I must admit, but it turned out super gorgeous, so I was so thrilled to do this, and especially with the results we got in the end. So it's literally going all over this canvas with some wiggles and some squiggles and also like V shapes that I'm piling the paint on. Don't know, it just seems to add to the effect. And I'm actually going to do a double canvas dip, so with the same size canvas I'll be placing it on top and dipping it, and you've got to see the results. It will pop your socks off, literally. So the colours I've used, the bottom was magenta, and then it was a lighter purple, and now just a light pink. And I'm going to use some other really bright and out there colours. I think I'll be throwing a really nice bright orange in there. I always like to add a good dash of yellow to my orange. It seems to almost make it like fluoro, you know, even brighter. So why not? If you can get the paint brighter, then why not? I know some people are colour phobia. They don't like colour. They like very muted colours, but I'll go for both. I love my colours, but I can also do muted. Of course I can. So this is the bright yellow thrown in there. I will layer the paints and get ready to dip the other canvas.
Too close to the sun. Maybe in another life we could have worked it out.
Just giving the sides of this canvas a quick paint over, and so it's all fixed up ready to do my dip on top. And please hold on for the last bit, it is well worth watching.
Like a shooting star turns into dust. All the fighting, all the crying, reality caught up with us. We went head first into the fire until we crashed and burned. No, I wasn't the one, but I gave it all I've got. When all is said and done,
Quick spin over. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wowee. How can you not be pleased with that? Especially if you've never done any kind of art project. This is one of the most simplest techniques to do with your family, friends, your grandchildren, your children. And you get such wonderful results with it. It's really a lovely technique to do. And it's not very often that it fails. Only reason it would fail is if the paint consistency is maybe too runny or way too thick. But look at that, it just brightens your day, makes you feel good. If you're feeling, yes, like I tell you all the time, you're feeling a bit down, sad, lonely, depressed, get yourself a few paints. Just get a little bit of an area with a bit of paper underneath, and this technique, it's so easy peasy lemon squeezy, and it brings your heart so much joy. Even after all the years I've been doing this technique, and like I'm quite often told, oh, I used to do that in school 60 years ago. I know. So what? Enjoy it again. Bring a smile to your heart. Right, I've gone on my soapbox long enough. I love it. It's easy to do, and I'm sure you'll absolutely love doing it too. Do it with the bright colours or do it with muted colours. It'll work every time, and enjoy every minute of it. So wait on for the dried piece. I actually will varnish coat these before I put the video up, so you will see the varnished piece at the end too. Enjoy. Wow, wow, wow. I am super happy with that. That is so bright and beautiful, really uplifting, very easy to do. Yes, they were doing it in kindergarten schools years and years ago, but what a happy art project that absolutely anybody with any skill, without any artistic skills, can achieve. And that's what it's all about, is just bringing a art process that's easy for anybody to do with their family, friends and their children. And that is gorgeous. Really happy with that. The colours just pop your socks off. Okay, thank you so much for joining me again. If you haven't already done so, please press the subscribe button. It costs nothing, but it helps me. I'm being told that from subscribers that they're subscribed but they don't get notified off YouTube any longer for whatever reason. So sometimes you have to unsubscribe and then resubscribe to get it working again. So if you could do that and you want to, then I'm always happy to provide regular art and craft inspiration for you guys. So thank you for joining me. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now.
I try, but